Good day to my viewers. I just want to show you how to install a faucet reader. It is a PDF software which you can edit, you can sign, and you can do any changes to your document without going to any internet cafe or ICT center. So first of all, this is the software. We double click it. Now, faucet reader setup. Welcome to the faucet reader setup wizard. The setup wizard will install faucet reader on your computer. Click next to continue or cancel to exit the setup reader. This is the best PDF reader in this world. So this is the end user license agreement. Basically, you need to read the following license agreement carefully before accepting it. So first of all, we'll click on accept the terms in the license agreement. And we'll click on next. Choose the setup type. So choose the setup type that best suits your needs. Typical. Install faucet reader with default settings. Requires the most disk space. Recommended for most users. Custom. Allows users to choose which program features will be installed. So basically, let's go for the typical because it will install all the features of the reader. So here, if you can change the drive in which you want to put the software. But here I want to put it in my drive C. So I click on install. Now you click. Basically, when installing a software, you need to give a permission to the administrator by clicking yes, proceed. This will take some few seconds. Almost done. This is among the best PDF reader in the continent. It's very fast, convenient, and easy to use. Then you send your document to an internet cafe to convert to PDF. This is the software for you. It does all the works. It takes some few seconds to be done. Completed the faucet reader setup. So you just click on finish and it will launch it immediately. See that? So basically this is the user interface of the faucet reader. You can sign online. You can convert your document to PDF. So let me create an example from files. I want to convert a document to a PDF so you understand better. So I'm to select Fatau Yakubu. I'll open it. You see, you can see converting. It's about 25%, 30% is converting the PDF file, the Word to PDF. So this is finally the PDF. this is somebody's curriculum vitae, so you can save it. Then you do type the name, like save it on the desktop, click save. It is saved. Or you can put a signature to the document, which is very simple and convenient. You simply come to protect, PDF sign. You can see that plus. It's either you draw the signature or you type the signature. When you go to draw the signature, then you begin to draw the type of signature you would like to use. You click OK, save. It will bring you, and you click on it, you can enlarge it. Very simple. And you click on save, apply, and it has been saved. Thank you very much for your time. I will do more detail on how to use Faucet PDF Reader. Thank you.